Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deactivate Facebook account. But before we start, hurry up and check out our data software just under this video. So let's get started. In this case, for you to deactivate your Facebook account, what we need to do is we first need to open up the Facebook mobile app. Now from here, let's go and choose the three-bar icon at the top right of your screen that has your profile picture. Now from here, click on the gear icon that you see at the top right here. And from here, you want to go to Account Center. So let's go and click on See More in Account Center. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to scroll down a bit here. Look for Personal Details under Account Settings. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, what we need to do is we need to click on the Account Ownership and Control. Let's go ahead and click on it again. Now from here, go ahead and click on the Activation or Deletion. Let's go ahead and click on this way. And from here, you want to actually click on your Facebook account. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, from here, you have two options. You have deactivate account and delete account. So since we want to deactivate, make sure to click on deactivate account and hit on continue. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to verify some things here. So since my Facebook account has some pages on it, it's going to say the Facebook profiles here will also be deactivated. So let's go ahead and click on continue. Now, the next page, the last thing you need to do here is you just need to enter your password for you to confirm your identity. And once you've confirmed your account or your password here and hit on continue, you should be able to deactivate your account. Now, in this case, you have 30 days, or in this case, you have a lot of time here for you to reactivate your account by just logging in using the same credentials. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.